All right, Maddie, now we're going to take a look at your butterfly from the underwater view at the side. So in this position, eyes are down. That looks fantastic. Your head's down. Your eyes are looking at the bottom of the pool. So I really like what you're doing there. Keeps the hips up nice and high in your strokes, so that's great. Your hands are coming in, and you do a very good job with the catch. Despite the hands being so high and kind of entering late, you're doing a great job of pointing those hands down to the bottom with the palm down, so you're catching that water instead of turning the hands out. And a number of people kind of turn their hands sideways as they're doing that. But here you can see they did kind of press to the side and got a little wide. So this is a little wider than you want to be as you're starting that and turning those hands sideways during the catch phase of the stroke. We want to actually be inside of that a little bit and pulling straight back. So we want to pull back here with both hands. We don't want to be kind of sliding them out like a breaststroker would to the side. And then you can just see how wide they are. So from hand to hand, there should be maybe 2 to 3 inches between the thumbs, and you probably are about 10 inches apart at that point. So leverage, basic leverage in terms of your arms when you're pulling. The closer they are together, the closer the hands are together, the more power you have, the more leverage. The further apart, the less of the core is involved, and the more that the arms are just pulling, and that creates less power. So as we go forward, you can just see how they exit really wide from the hips as well. So we just need to get the hands closer. We do a drill called touch drill underneath the body to kind of get the hands to come underneath the body a little bit more in your fly. And again, you can just see how wide they are all the way through past the hips. So they're wider than the hips all the way through when they're pulling. And really, as you get underneath the hips or underneath the abs, the thumb should almost be touching. They're about 1/2 inch to 1 inch apart on your best flyers. And yours are still, like I said, anywhere from 8 to 10 inches apart at this point, and that's where they should be 1 inch apart. Now we'll see the front view from underwater. That'll give us a little bit more of an idea. Right here, you're in a good position, pulling water, catching the water with your forearms and pushing the water back to push yourself forward. So this is great. Great vertical forearm, pushing the water straight back. So excellent position there as you're swimming the fly. Again, we'd want to be deeper with the kick, so if I back up a little bit, you can just see how you're getting to flat with the kick, but actually we want to get the feet below the knees. So your knees are here and your feet are here. We really want to finish that kick with the feet getting below the knees. That'll help you a little bit more on delivering power from your kick. And then as you're coming over into the stroke, again, we're in a good position here. We do let them slide out, and I just want you to catch a little more water at that point. As we go into the turn, again, diving down and then up and then lifting that head first is just going to open up that body. You're really open. We want a tighter tuck. We don't want our knees out to the side, so we want the knees to come straight underneath the body. You can see how they're angled to the side. We want them more right below the body as they're pulling underneath instead of to the side. And then, okay, as you're going to push off the wall, okay, we want the feet to be just a little higher. They're in a good position, but they need to be just a little higher as you push off. And then your hands should be down a little more, so you're going to push off at a deeper angle. So if I keep letting this go from here, you'll see that you're somewhat shallow with your push off. And the feet are very close to the surface of the water as you're pushing off. We want to get a little deeper than that. Anywhere from 4 to 6 feet. You're in that 2 to 3 foot range, which water at the surface is moving, so it's going to be creating a little more drag for you and your butterfly. But good head position, good body position, and we'll keep working on the catch, the hands underneath the body, and turning those thumbs.